Ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, today is the day of the test. We get to test you out and test it on. We're gonna test it here with this song. A little bit of love coming to you from the day that, I don't know, is a different day today. Is that day. You know that day?
Countdown, last 6 to 7 years to the 2013. We've realized the planetary restructuring comes from the inside. All organisms on the Gaia have received instructions. Through the Akashic Records, universal consciousness has been dialed in, selected. We are transmitting.
Are y'all ready for this transmission? All right, let's go. Q DeRHINO live here from the island of your dreams. Welcome home on a Sunday service.
The great work of ages is in plan.
Shout out to the fam around the world. Miriam in Berlin. Folks just joining in from around the world. I see Ibiza's represented in the house. Miss Luna just copped on in the house. What's up, family? Let's go. Just a moment in time in motion. Just a question of motion, light in motion. Congratulations to those who feel you won. A bit of Sunday service for you all, coming to you live from the island of your dreams today. It's gonna be a crazy one, a mad one, a slick one, a sunny one, a fun one. We gotta get right down to it, son. Let's go. We have the power to love. We have the power to we have the power to love right here, regardless of what's going on around the world, whether or not your government is positive or negative, whether it's for you or against you. We, humanity, have the power to love. And right here on Sunday service, we're gonna do just that. Give you some of the L to the O to the V to the E, that love. That's right, baby. No matter what, in the end, humanity will reign, prevail, and come through together, united. No more hatred, no more war. No more selling your souls to the man before. No more checks, no more rights. No more black, no more white. No more you are wrong, not right. No more cities, no more pain. No more pollution with its acid rain. No more babies in the street at night. No more husbands that wanna fight. No more children with no shoes on their feet, with no food, clothes, and nothing to eat. No more lies being told while guns are being sold. No more dentists, no more kings, no more people that have so much pain. There's so much pain. Today on Sunday service, we come to release some of that pain. There is so much pain. Life is now, only now, right now. The past is gone, future will. Trump is gone, baby, future will. What are you gonna do now? Life is now, morning now. We must live. The past is gone, future will. We must live. Life is now, only now. We must live. The past is gone, future will. We must live. Life is now, only now. We must live. The past is gone, future will. Life is now, only now. Future will time fulfill. What has brought Maureen? Have you spent your time, mother, standing in grocery lines? My dear, is your insurance paid? Oh yes. Did the bank call you today? Is your rent overdue? Are they looking for you? Is this how we live? Is it what they give? You know that life is now, only now. Your past is gone, your future will. Life is now, only now. Your past is gone, your future will. Life is now, only now. So what will we do? How will we respond? Can we come back? Will we be the ones? Life is now. Elections come and go. What will we do for humanity to flow? Let's go. Sunday service. Q DeRHINO the Rock Star. Right here. Come to bring a message of love today, a message of hope, something that is outside the reach and the breadth of the scope of what you may have been used to. I don't know what you're used to, but I gotta give you something more today. This game that we play, you say it's for yesterday and tomorrow. Life is now, only now. Right now. Your life right here, right now. Q DeRHINO coming to you live with that life in the palm of your hands. For all of y'all, all woman, all man, all son, all daughter, all child, all tame, all wild, all happy, all smiles today. It's Sunday, let's play. We're gonna bring it straight to you from our hearts today. At one point, we thought we might not come through. It felt like it would tear us apart today. But here we are. no. Doesn't matter where you are or how far. We got the distance, we come so much closer to you. Stepping inside your mind, one more of the things that we do. We come closer to you, let you feel us right through. Let you become a part of it. It's gonna test you. From right to the start, gonna reach to your heart. I know sometimes you don't believe, you feel that it's falling apart at the seams. And it's true. It doesn't matter though, we're gonna have to go so much deeper to find our way through to the light of day. Gonna find it anyway, no matter what they say, no matter what they tell you they're gonna do. It's not really true. We had to come together, one another, hand in hand, sisters and brothers, to make our dreams come true. It's just what we need to do. A week ago I told you positivity would be the thing to reign the day.
I want you to get together.
And now look at that. Yeah. I see you out there. I see you New York partying in the streets, feeling good about yourself, feeling full of love.
I want you to get together.
I see you. I see you, Seattle, Washington. I see y'all out there. I want y'all all to get together. All my races, all my faces, all my sizes.
I want you to get together.
I need you to get together right now and recognize you are the oneness of humanity that's making us all look good.
I want you to get together.
There are outer galaxies out now rooting for us. They know we did what we should. So right now the world is rooting for us to get our hands together one time.
I want you to get together.
And show them exactly why it is we do what we do in real time, real time.
I want you to get together. I want you to get together.
I want y'all all to get together. Q DeRHINO giving that Sunday service 103.7.
I want you to get together.
IbizaLive Radio. We want y'all to get together.
Together one time. I want you to get together.
This is a celebration Sunday. Get together, my family. y'all out there, you were on the fence. You didn't know where to go. You didn't know what was happening. You felt lost. Right now, you see a bit of hope out there.
I want you to get together.
You see races and colors all coming together. Different sexes, different religions coming together.
I want you to get
Looking
together.
for a better way to do this thing that we call live.
Together with her.
Will y'all get your hands together?
I want you to get together.
Let's get together. Let's go. Big shout out to the fam around the world. Anna, Sarah. We want all y'all to get together. All our Ibiza Live Radio fam come together around the world. If every one of y'all could just reach out to one more person and get together, come together, feel together, be together. What an amazing place we can take the rest of 2020 into, you know? How would that feel? This is my celebration for all the nations. We're looking for peace and time to get together. The Sunday service is when we do it, when we just come together as a family and recognize there is nothing we cannot get through. Let's get together. In 100 years, they're gonna look back at this time and say, wow, look at all that went on. And in the end, what did they do? And you will be proud to say that y'all got together. Let's go. This is Sunday service. That's right. Mary Way says, oh, happy day it is. We're going to bring you some beats from the bottom. I know y'all ladies want to dance out there. You feeling a little bit of like smooth southern like African tip because it's getting hot outside, you know, sun in your eyes and everything. It's still daylight. You're thinking like, oh man, am I gonna get my dance on tonight? Is that chocolate man gonna bring me within the sight of my shitango? Oh yeah, that's right. Today I'm gonna do the dance mango. Let it feel like it. Let it reverberate. Oh, let it stretch out. We're gonna do a little bit of Yasa man yoga. We're gonna widen them hips today, baby. I know you love it when we widen them hips. Service. Election week 2020. The week the Jamaicans officially lost it to the White House. Do this said, take a deep breath. You gotta inhale deep what's left. She said, take a deep breath. Inhale, that's right, that's life. Let's go. Don't let it get oversaturated. Don't let it get too complicated. Breathe it in, breathe it out. Breathe it in, breathe it out. Without a doubt, that's life. I know you want to debate. Don't let your ass be late. I know you want to discourse. You wanna check my source. I know you wanna parlay. Not today. If you wanna relate, let's get it straight. In, out, in, out, in, out. That's life. So we gotta put some living up in you today. We can put the living right up in you. Oh, that's right, Virginia. That's where you like that living, ain't ya? Oh, right out there where it's sweet and the ear hole. It's like, ooh, wee, baby, go sweet, go easy out my ear hole today. It's a Sunday. IbizaLive Radio Sunday service with Q DeRHINO, the Dark Star, coming to you live in your house, in your car.
I can go all the way back before I was even using sequences.
Big black and bold, like you love it. If it wasn't big, black and bold, it would be chocolate. Chocolate soup, chocolate sauce, of course, the best type you like. Sliding down as you ride your bike. It's new.
I was still doing it with the MP, as a sequencer, utilizing all the sounds from Unity at the time, all these different programs. And Logic became a thing to do for me in terms of sequencing. It's just a cool thing.
Let's go, let's dance.
then it evolved into sequencing. I was still doing it with the MP, you know, as a sequencer, but utilizing all the sounds from Unity at the time, and all these different programs. And Logic became a thing to do for me in terms of sequencing. It's just a great medium.
Nowadays, they hit you on the flyway. She's jogging by on a wireless set of headset on some rollerblades like, ow! It ain't the same, baby. Old school time, different game. Yo, but they still love that sound. It be stankin'. Getting down, you know what y'all do. Bring this shit out and just play all night long. We gotta break it down and start getting to bring our friends around. Bringing up that new shit with the same old song. I see y'all partying in the street out there. Be safe, but get together. Be clear, love one another. Celebration day for all those around the world who want to know about making a better way. Let's go, let's do this right now. Q DeRHINO the Dark Side with Miss Luna giving you those big ass beats. Ibiza Live Radio with some funky ass treats for the feet, baby. Move that ass. You can see it sometimes. It was like electric on the edge of the skyline, you know, like dusty. Somebody going down, I've been thinking, what we gonna do in this town? How we gonna change it around from being fucked up and rusty to badass? Future was near, almost nigh, I could say. We were right on the edge of it, trying to film it in real time every day. We were really like living it, trying to do it by giving it. It was hard, but we had to create some brand new shit in every way. So we reached out to it, stretched out with open arms, with family, with friends, tried to put our fucking shit together and make it like Lucky Charms with some milk. Super sweet, but give you the energy you needed. So what do we do now? How do we continue? How do we move on? How do we rewrite humanity's song? Yo, we need to get to it. We need to work on it. 'cause you know you can't do it alone. Let's go. We are just at the beginning. I know how you feel. Y'all want to be winning because we are. So let's go. How can we be more fair? How can we share? How can we listen more? How can we care? This is Sunday Service with Q DeRHINO, the Dark Star, on Ibiza Live Radio, live from Ibiza and Formentera. What a week it has been. I don't remember waiting this long for many things in life, man. Whoa. An election that took so long to find out the results, you just wondered what was going to happen. Now it's time for the correction process. Who are we? What will we be? Let's launch 2021.
Position or character, self-respect or self-esteem, pride, a high and inordinate opinion of one's own dignity, importance, marital superiority, whether it's cherished in the mind or it's displayed in merit. Take a deep breath and take a deep dive. Take a deep dip in your deep pride. No marches, no flags, no protest or loss. We're just deep house lovers, no need for applause. We're deep. And we're here. We're deep. And we're here.
Deep and we're here. We got a lot of pride going on right now. Let's feel that. Coming together. Stay deep. Stay here. Stay on it.
To my kids, and we like it real loud. Raise your hands in the air if you're deep and you're proud. Stomp your feet, clap your hands with your hands. Show no fear. Shout it out to the world.
Be deep, stay proud. Shut that shit out loud. In your hometown, on your own ground. It don't matter. Bust the crowd.
And we're here. We're deep. And we're here.
And that shit is clear.
We're deep. And we're here. We're deep. And we're here.
In the past 400 years, they tried to silence the depth of what was going on. But right now, we've brought it together to release humanity from the ties and the bonds so we can come together, my brothers and sisters. Doesn't matter where you are, what color you are, around the world, we're all family. We're one human race. So let's get together and trace ourselves back to that oneness.
So take a deep sip from your deep cup. Tell them rolling Clark said your ears are cool, what the fuck? Our deepest has no color and it lives in time and space. It's a vibration of our spirits, it's an indictment of our hunger. A yearning for something more. It's a scene out of a dream. It's a spot out on the floor. It's one light, one DJ, one disco ball. It's a tornado in the speaker. It's summer, spring, winter, fall. So the next time someone asks you, what's your preference? Take that leap. Kindly tell them, none of your business. But if you must know, I like it deep.
You know you like it deep, right? I know you do. It's Q DeRHINO and Roland Clark giving to you deep with help from Miss Luna. Giving you that lubrication that you know you good. You can tune a fish. But you really want to tune a piano, don't you? Sunday service. IbizaLive Radio 103.7.
Pride.
Welcome back. This is Sunday service. Days have gone by, wonder why. And here we are now, recognize the demise and decline. Systems coming down one by one in your town, son. You recognize a system designed to hide. Now we're getting inside. Recognize the time for whatever is bringing them together. They recognize their life for the light stays tonight. They recognize the spirit as they give it. Nothing else to live for. No time is light when you're alive. Let's live it. They spin and change on an axis every night and every morning. They practice, but that yearning never ceases. It only increases. We must search to the inside to find. At the daybreak of light, have we found what we searched for all night? That is why we rise and shine. Let the music take control. Take control. It's time you let it go. It's time you let it take control. It's time you gave into it. Let it get that in your soul. It's time to relive that thing, you know, when you was like 3 years old and you felt it, but you smelled it even more. It was so deep, open doors for your mind.
Gotta bring back that feeling. Yeah, you know the one I'm talking about. That feeling that's been gone for way too long. Remember when the music felt so good? I don't know where we went wrong. Maybe we need to stop and let the music take control.
The memory's not so distant, is it? It was back then in those days. Mama and Daddy used to play on their favorite record, meet mop machine, sound, discography machine, earbuds, earwaves, CD machine, record player, all of it. Soothsayer, sleep inducer, time pusher, love releaser. It was that sound.
Let the music take control.
So let the music take control. No matter how much young or old, you've got to dig for it like gold while you're living.
And let the music take control.
Music take your vibe. Let them teach you you're alive. Don't ever mistake that thing they have. Show them how your hits in man. Is that the music you speak? You need to become a control freak. Let it control your soul until your young turns back again, and you can transform anything that was old. Let it grab you, baby. Let it own you, baby. Don't say maybe, release yourself. Call it Sunday service because it's a transformation of that self for you. It's a transformation of what you do into what you be. That's right, you, me. And like gravity, you don't got to be a believer for it to knock your ass down. With sound, makes you feel shit. From the top of your head to the ground. The whole time. I'ma get it to course through you like a love transfusion. There will be no confusion. There will be no illusion tonight. It's gonna come up on you just right, baby. It's gonna slide up beside you all night, baby. Oh yeah, you know how it is. Time been passing on that app. I done think I passed the class. Oh yeah, I need it right now. Come on, give me that jelly. Big shout out of love to all my family in states in the United States that are now have marijuana legalized. Even for recreational use, I think that's cool. South Dakota, y'all want medical too. I'm down with that, that's cool, we love that. And for y'all in Oregon, woo! Oregon, we ain't gonna even speak on that. Enjoy yourselves. We love all y'all around the world, all my boys, all my girls. Sunday service, let's do it. In case you didn't have enough beats and rhymes in your life tonight, we're gonna bring you back real smooth. Ibiza Live Radio coming to you with Q DeRHINO, the Dark Star, on a Sunday service afternoon.
In these trying times, we must be that change. Come on.
You heard him.
Be that change. Imagine a world where we all respect each other, where we all care for each other, where we have each other's back. Make sure no one goes hungry. This planet needs all of us, all of me, all of you, all of you. Be the change, be the change. Be that change.
Yes, we do.
Imagine a place where everyone feels safe, like this dance floor. You and I, all of us. All we have to do is try.
That's all we need. Trust.
This exchange, this energy, we shall release it to the world for our planet.
Billy Bastion, what up, dog? Live from the US of A, my dog. We got it coming out here today. Talking about being the change. So for all the family around the world who catch these in post-production, go to Yes Wow on YouTube, where we just drop more Sunday service for you. Episodes 1 through whatever we are right now, which is number 6. On election week in the US of A, the week that Kamala Harris went into the White House.
We're back to get it right this time.
Let's go.
For your family, for your friends, for you. Only you can do it. Only I can do it. We are that change.
Once again, at the end, we'd like to thank everybody who came out.
Share this feeling with your friends.
And like I said, share the feeling with your friends. That good vibe, that good feeling this week.
Share this feeling with everyone.
All the people that did you good this week, send them a message. Let them know how much you love and appreciate them.
Share this feeling, share the love, share the vibration.
more we can do that, the better. Q DeRHINO Sunday service with a Be That Change message on the back end of this amazing Sunday. Wow, wow, wow. Woo. Thanks everyone for coming out, and for those of you listening after the fact, around the world, family and friends, the cats on the waves as well. Big shout out. I know most of y'all catch this in post-production, so we just thank you for all listening and watching when you do. We'll see you next week. Same love station, same love vibration. Q DeRHINO the Dark Star, Ibiza Live Radio, 103.7, live from Ibiza Formentera. Get some, babies. Billy Bastion, when you're coming to Ibiza to do some fire walking? That's the question, isn't it?
Certified